Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade sea moss gel using an easy method. This powerful superfood is simple to prepare right in your own kitchen. We will cover the few ingredients you need, the quick steps involved, and how to store your finished product. Get ready to boost your wellness with this versatile and beneficial gel, made fresh by you. First, you will need about 1 cup of dried sea moss. Begin by rinsing it thoroughly under cool, fresh water to remove any debris. Next, place the cleaned sea moss into a large bowl and cover it with filtered water. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. You will notice it expands significantly, becoming much softer and lighter in color. Once your sea moss is fully hydrated, drain all the soaking water. Transfer the expanded sea moss to a high-speed blender. For every 1 cup of soaked sea moss, add about 1.5 cups of fresh, filtered water. Blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture transforms into a smooth, consistent, and creamy gel. Scrape down the sides as needed. Now that your sea moss gel is ready, carefully pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store this jar in your refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and potent for up to 3 weeks. You can easily incorporate this nutrient-rich gel into your daily routine. Try adding 1 or 2 tablespoons to your smoothies, juices, or even hot teas for a simple wellness boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.